Hi, my name is José at MAPerformance, and I'm the fabrication manager.
Yeah, if you hadn't found your path here, where do you think you'd be?
To be honest, before I found a better road to myself, I was in and out of jail. I was in and out of getting in trouble. I had more, the police knew me more than my friends knew me. I wasn't smart with my decisions. I didn't decide to make the better decisions when I was younger. I mean, right now, to be honest with you, I'm more successful now than I probably ever thought I would ever be. In and out of jail, you'll find problems, you'll find friends that aren't real, you find the lies in friends. Like this is a real question that honestly, like it hurts me because like, if I had made it here, I don't know where I'd be, to be honest. It kind of scares me, to be honest. Like, the life that I was living wasn't gonna get me anywhere no matter what position I put myself in. Every day I'm happy for the things that I do, and I'm happy that I took the sacrifice to make me where I am right now. I struggled a very hard time with my life to become a better person. So if anyone else wants a better life, I'm gonna help them succeed that life. If it comes to personal problems, to car problems, to moving, to anything, you need my help, I'm there to help no matter what. What I do with my time is value everybody else's time. I'm proud of the products that we push. I'm proud of the employees that we have. I'm proud of the motivation and the drive that we all have. We all want to push the best, the fastest, and pushes and strives for everyone's dream. They want to make their cars faster, look better, and they want to do it in a fast period. We turn good products around fast and make everything look cleaner, that it fits better, that I know the customer will always have a smile when they open it. Like I told you, if I made a product for myself and I wasn't happy with it, I wouldn't throw it on my car. The exact same thing as if I built a product like this, I wouldn't send it to you being happy. I probably couldn't sleep at night, to be honest with you. We push and strive for success. We try to make our customers happy. If we build products that we aren't okay with, why would we sell them? We put way more effort than most companies that I know do for our products. From every weld to every billet flange that we make for it, for the contour, even our Evo X manifolds, as you can see. There's probably no company that I know that pushes past its limits to make our customers happy. And personally, dealing with other different companies that I've ordered from, we are probably the quickest to respond and make our customers happy as well. I love that everyone respects me. Like, people love the things that I do. I build beautiful products that our employees, our customers, our friends, anyone that I know, like I build stuff for you. I build stuff for any sales reps, any fabrication guys that need any help to make things better. This isn't a job. It's more of family coming together and just we're here for each other no matter what. If anybody ever needs any help, we're here for one another.